But your point is that computer scientists are not worse off today for that, right? They're better off for it in some ways, right? Because of that advancement. And is that kind of the same thing you potentially see for writing, for example?
Yeah, that'll be interesting to see. Like, okay, so let's use those two cases. Google made computer scientists better, right? That's for sure. Because actually what happened is it was the Stack Overflow effect. So Stack Overflow is an online bulletin board where people post questions about code and other people answer questions about code. The rhythm of being a computer programmer became you Google about whatever, how do I write this function? How do I do whatever? And it will find a Stack Overflow page where someone has given that code. That became how computer scientists learn new programming languages. That's how computer scientists learned how to use new features or libraries. It really made things more efficient. On the writing side, Google introduced new problems as well because you could now plagiarize, etc. I don't think it made people better writers. I think it made research easier, for sure, but didn't make people better writers. And then the other secondary effects of the internet writ large, in particular the distractions, etc., the algorithmic content curation, probably made people worse writers. So it's interesting. You had these two parallel academic fields, let's say computer science and writing, academic activities, both heavily disrupted by the internet. One, we ended up actually more flexible and better because of this technology. The other, no one would say people are faster writers or better writers or the quality of writing has improved. And so I think that's very telling because they started from a similar place and they're sort of similar fields. You're producing textual stuff from scratch. And one, I think, at least that's my assessment, had a much different long distance impact than the other.